Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play YouTube videos in the background while using your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to General, Picture-in-Picture. Make sure Start Pipe automatically is enabled. This allows supported videos to continue playing in a floating window when you leave the app. Next, open the YouTube app, tap your profile picture, then go to Settings, then Playback, and make sure Picture-in-Picture is turned on. Both your iPhone and the YouTube app must have this feature enabled for it to work properly. Once the settings are enabled, start playing a YouTube video. Then simply swipe up or return to the home screen. If the video supports Picture-in-Picture, it will continue playing in a small floating window while you use other apps. You can move the window around the screen, pause or resume playback, or close it whenever you want. Keep in mind that Picture-in-Picture may not be available for every video. Some content and certain regions may require a YouTube Premium subscription, or may not support the feature. So that's basically how you can play YouTube videos in the background while using your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.